name is Nadia Nurmaladewi, and now I want to talk about diversity of Indonesia cuisines. As we know, Indonesia is very big country with many cultures. Because of that, we have so many delicious food. Every region has its own special dish. For example, we have the rich and spicy rendang from Padang, the sweet and tasty gudeg from Jogja, and the famous satay that everyone loves. Indonesian food is very special because we use many traditional herbs and spices. It makes our food unique and full of flavor. In conclusion, our food reflects our identity. We should be proud of our culinary heritage. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye. Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Nurmaladewi, and now I want presentation about countable noun. Okay, what is countable noun? Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted directly using number. The easiest way to identify them is using the finger test. If you can point at the objects and count them one by one with your fingers, it's a countable noun. Characteristic of countable noun. The first, numerical compatibility. They can be directly preceded by a specific number. For example, 1 chair, 2 chairs. Dual, the second, dual grammatical form. They inherently possess both a singular form, denoting exactly one, and a plural form denoting more than one. The third, article compatibility. Singular countable nouns can stand with the indefinite articles a or an, changing singular to plural. A. Regular plural nouns in English follow these simple spelling rules based on their ending letters. 1. The general rule, just add s to the end of the word. 1 book, 2, 3 books. 1 pen, 2 pens. 1 apple, 2, 5 apples. The second, nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x, z, add es to make it easier to pronounce. For example, 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 box, 4 boxes. 1 watch, 2 watches. Third, nouns ending consonant plus y, change the way into es. For example, 1 baby, 4 2 babies. 1 city, 4 3 cities. If the letter before y is a vowel like in boy, just add s for boys. 4. Nouns ending in f or v, change the f or v into fast. For example, 1 knife, 4 2 knives. 1 leaf, 4 10 leaves. B. Irregular plurals. Some nouns change completely without any rules. You need to memorize these because they often appear in text. For example, 1 child, 2 3 child. 1 person, 2 5 people. 1 mouse, 2 many mice. 1 woman, 2 women. 21st word showing amount. We use specific words to show the quantity of countable nouns depending on whether they are singular or plural. For singular nouns, we use a or an, which means one or single. For example, a used before words starting with a consonant sound B, C, D, F, dan seterusnya. For example, a car, a student. Example, to earn, used before words starting with a vowel sounds a, I, U, E, O. Example, an orange, an umbrella. For plural nouns, if you don't want to say the exact number, you can use this word: many, a lot of. I have many friends. A few, a small number. She bought a few apples. Several, more than two, but not too many. He wore several letters. Some or any. Are there any chairs here? Asking question with a countable noun. The rules: the noun following how many must always be plural with s or es. The formula is how many plus plural noun plus do or does or are there. Example, how many books do you have? Or how many cats are there in the garden? When you want to ask about the quantity of the countable noun, you must always use how many, never use how much. Sekian presentasi part 1 and part 2 dari saya. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.